Privacy is a fundamental right that every individual is entitled to, regardless of their nationality, race, or social status. In today's digital age, the internet has become an integral part of our daily lives. It has revolutionized the way we communicate, share information, and conduct business. However, the same technology that has made our lives easier and more convenient has also given rise to new threats to our privacy. Privacy has been a crucial concern in the digital age, and with the rise of social media platforms, it has become even more significant. One such platform that has gained immense popularity, especially among young people, is TikTok. The video sharing app has become a sensation, with millions of users worldwide, but its rise has also sparked concerns about data privacy and security. These concerns have led some policymakers to propose new legislation that would give the government greater powers to monitor online activity. One such piece of legislation is the new Patriot Act S.686. However, banning this legislation is essential as it threatens individual freedoms and privacy. One of the most significant threats to our privacy is the government's ability to monitor our online activities. In the United States, the Patriot Act has been in effect since 2001, giving law enforcement agencies broad surveillance powers to investigate suspected terrorist activities. However, the act has also been criticized for its potential to infringe on the privacy rights of innocent citizens. Recently, a new bill has been introduced in Congress called the Patriot Act S.686, which seeks to expand the government's surveillance powers even further. The bill would allow law enforcement agencies to access a person's online activities without a warrant, including their browsing history, search queries, and social media interactions. This type of monitoring would be a severe violation of our privacy rights and would set a dangerous precedent for the future. One particular platform that has come under scrutiny for its potential to compromise privacy is TikTok. TikTok is a social media app that allows users to create and share short videos. It has become incredibly popular, with over 1 billion active users worldwide. However, concerns have been raised about the app's ties to the Chinese government and its potential to collect sensitive user data. While TikTok has denied any wrongdoing, the fact remains that any information shared on the platform could be accessed by government agencies if they were granted the necessary powers. The Patriot Act S.686 on individual privacy rights. The proposed bill would grant government agencies sweeping powers to monitor online activities, not only those on social media platforms such as TikTok. This is a cause for concern, as it not only undermines the fundamental rights of individuals but also sets a dangerous precedent for government surveillance. It is essential to understand that privacy is a fundamental right that must be protected at all costs. The government's role is to ensure the protection of its citizens, including their privacy rights. However, granting unfettered access to private online activities undermines this principle. The proposed bill essentially allows government agencies to monitor every aspect of an individual's online activity, including browsing history, social media activity, and even private messages. This not only violates privacy but also has the potential to be misused by the government to suppress dissent and undermine freedom of expression. Furthermore, TikTok has become a popular social media platform among young people. It provides a platform for creativity, self-expression, and entertainment. TikTok's popularity is due to the fact that it allows users to create and share videos with a vast audience. However, the proposed bill would essentially make it illegal to use TikTok, as it would be classified as an online activity that could be legally monitored. The government's desire to monitor online activity is understandable given the increasing use of the Internet for nefarious activities such as cybercrime and terrorism. However, the proposed bill goes too far by granting government agencies unchecked access to private online activity. Instead, the government should focus on developing targeted monitoring strategies that do not infringe on individual privacy rights. Another issue with the proposed bill is the potential for abuse by government agencies. History has shown that government surveillance programs can be abused to suppress political dissent and undermine civil liberties. The proposed bill would essentially give government agencies unchecked access to private online activity, thereby increasing the potential for abuse. The new Patriot Act, S.686, aims to give law enforcement agencies more powers to monitor and collect data from online platforms such as TikTok. The act would require social media companies to provide user data to law enforcement agencies without a warrant, effectively removing the privacy protections afforded by the Fourth Amendment. This would allow the government to monitor an individual's online activity without any probable cause, raising concerns about government overreach and abuse of power. The new legislation would require social media companies to provide a backdoor to law enforcement agencies to bypass encryption, making it easier for the government to spy on individuals. This would not only compromise privacy but also put user data at risk of being accessed by malicious actors. The backdoor would create a vulnerability that hackers could exploit, potentially compromising sensitive personal information, such as bank details, medical records, and personal communications. Furthermore, the new Patriot Act S.686 would require social media companies to report any suspicious activity to law enforcement agencies. However, what constitutes suspicious activity is subjective and open to interpretation, potentially leading to over-reporting and false positives. Moreover, the proposed bill would essentially make it impossible for individuals to have any semblance of privacy online. Absolutely all things with Internet can be legally monitored. Please consult a professional before making any decisions. Please, comment, like and subscribe. Follow us on Twitter at 4YA Freedom.